Your TV remote can already do things you've probably never discovered. One of them turns your phone into a game controller. These are 9 completely different hidden features most TV owners never discover. No service menus, nothing you've already seen. One feature replaces the remotes for your soundbar and your cable box without touching a single HDMI cable. Another makes your screen readable from across the room instantly. Another means you may never buy a battery for this remote again. And one is buried so deep that most owners have had their TV for years without ever turning it on. 9 features. Every one of them useful today. Fastest wins first. The last one changes how you'll use this remote every day. Let's go. Start with the one sitting in your hand right now. If your remote has ever felt heavier than a normal one, or has a small panel on the back you assumed was decorative. Some Samsung remotes, the solar cell versions bundled with many recent smart TVs, never take a disposable battery at all. A solar panel on the back charges it from ordinary room light, not just direct sunlight. Leave it face up near a window or under a normal bulb, and it stays topped up indefinitely. On select newer models, it goes further still, topping up from the Wi-Fi signal already flowing through your house instead of a battery. One full charge can last around 2 years. Most owners never realize why they've never had to replace a battery in this particular remote. They just assume they got lucky. Now the one that actually clears your coffee table. Most people think their TV can only control devices connected a certain way. This one goes much further. It replaces the remotes for your soundbar and your cable box completely. Even devices that were never going to talk to your TV through the cable at all. Samsung calls it the universal remote setup. LG calls it device connector. Point your remote at the device, tell the TV what it is, and from then on, one remote runs all of it. Volume on the soundbar, channel changes on the cable box, all from the same 6 buttons you already touch every day. It isn't a magic fix for every device in every home. Some models pair faster than others, and older or off-brand devices sometimes need a second attempt. But when it works, it's the difference between one remote and 3 sitting on the same cushion. Here's one that solves a problem you've probably blamed on your eyesight. Tiny subtitles during a foreign film. A sports score you have to squint at from the couch. A recipe on screen with text too small to actually read while you're cooking. The fix is sitting inside a menu built for something else entirely. Accessibility. High contrast, screen magnification, color and grayscale adjustments, all designed for visual impairment, and all just as useful if you simply want to see your TV better. On Samsung TVs, holding volume or mute for a couple of seconds pulls the whole menu up instantly, no digging through settings required. The combination varies by brand, but once you know it's there, it takes seconds to find, and it works on anyone's eyes, not just the ones it was designed for. Here's a smaller one, sitting in that same menu, that has nothing to do with turning captions on or off. Most people do not realize subtitles can be restyled completely. Bigger, bolder, a different color, a solid background instead of a see-through one. Yellow on black is the easiest combination to read in a dark room. And once you set it, it stays that way in every app, not just the one you changed it in. Now a quick one. On many Samsung remotes, the row of app shortcut buttons near the top isn't fixed. Reassign one to the app or input you actually open every day, and a button you've been underusing becomes the fastest thing on the remote. No more scrolling past 4 apps you never open to reach the one you do. LG has its own version of this, hidden behind a different button. Open the app, the channel, or the input you want, Then hold down one of the number keys, and that number becomes a direct shortcut to exactly that, from any screen, at any time. 2 brands, 2 different buttons, the same fix for the same daily annoyance. The next discovery barely uses the remote at all, and that's exactly why it's so useful. Samsung's SmartThings app and LG's ThinQ app turn your phone into something the physical remote was never built to be. Add your TV inside either app, and a full keyboard replaces hunting across an on-screen grid, one letter at a time. A touchpad replaces the directional pad entirely, tracking your thumb the way a laptop trackpad would, smoother than 6 separate AeroPresses could ever manage. And on Samsung TV sets specifically, SmartThings goes one step further. Inside the app is a virtual gamepad, a genuine controller layout built for Samsung's gaming hub. Scan the code on screen and the phone already in your pocket becomes the controller in your hand. No firmware update, no extra purchase. On newer Samsung sets, that same app goes even further. The TV itself can act as a smart home hub, so the app that just became your keyboard and your controller can also switch off the lights. No extra device required. It was sitting inside an app most people opened once, for volume, and never touched again. One more before the last reveal. Most people press source or input and cycle through every port one at a time. On many Samsung and Sony televisions, that input list is numbered. Press the number, and the television jumps straight there. Small fix. Real time saved every day you own the television. And here's the one that's been sitting inside LG televisions for over a decade, doing nothing, because almost nobody ever turns it on. If you own an LG Magic Remote, the one with the scroll wheel in the middle, shake it gently toward the screen. A cursor appears, gliding exactly where your hand moves. A full motion-controlled pointer, built into a remote most people have only ever used to press arrow buttons. Sweep across an on-screen keyboard instead of tapping through it letter by letter. Clear a settings menu in one motion instead of 6 presses. Scroll a streaming app the way you'd scroll a phone instead of clicking down one row at a time. That trackball has been sitting untouched in millions of living rooms for over a decade. Remember the 3 remotes on your coffee table from earlier? Same idea, small features, quietly changing habits you've had for years. The biggest upgrade to your television was never new hardware. It was learning what the remote in your hand could already do.